If you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a picture.
Yes, we're going to DC.
Yeah!
Yay!
Beach?
To the beach?
Yeah.
No, not to the beach. It's water, but it's not the beach.
If they have water in it.
Uh-huh. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Here comes Janelle and her outfit. You want to show the folks your outfit? Come on. She has on her mom jeans and her little purse, little shirt. These are whole hater.
That come up here.
Yeah, and she got on her. What are those called?
Oh, Doc Martens.
Doc Martens. There you go. And then of course she got my beautiful daughter over here. Still haven't braided back up her hair. You want to show them your outfit? No.
Shirt, pants, jacket, shoes. That's it.
Beautiful, beautiful. Good morning, guys. Today's a new day. We have Daddy Rob home, and we just have the girls. We have all three girls. I have my niece and my two girls, and then the boys, the twins, and Jaxson are with their grandparents. They're spending the weekend with them just to spend time with their grandparents. We are on our way to DC, to the waterfront, Georgetown I think it's called, and they have really good restaurants and stuff over there, and you can actually walk around, and it's just, you know, just change of scenery. So we're gonna do that today, and I'm gonna take you guys along. So good morning. I hope you guys are having an amazing weekend, and I'll see you guys when we get to DC. Did you go outside? Hey boy, hey Bubba. You be good, okay? We'll be back.
Be good.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the
Today out here. I'm glad I brought my jacket because it's colder than when I came for my girlfriend's birthday. We went out on the boat, on the water. We went out on the water. And we were supposed to go eat here, but she was too intoxicated, so we had to go home. But I wanted to come back. Such a beautiful.
Many times my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold. No matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why I'm always feeling homesick. Oh, all I know, all I know, all I know is this is where my heart is. Oh, I have seen many places where the beauty never ends. Different cities, friendly faces.
Oh, there go the shorts I like. I like those shorts. Big girl, come here.
Don't have to be chasing every dream.
Yes, honey? What is it? Oh, the thing. What is it? So we had lunch at Nick's, and Couldn't really record because copyright, you know, music in the background. So the girls want to go shopping now, so we're just gonna take them. They're gonna go take some pictures, and then we're gonna head back up into Maryland. I had to stop to get her Haagen-Dazs. How? And then Janelle had to complicate it because she wanted Americana.
You guys are just haters. Hating all day.
Once you complicate things, people don't know what to make.
From when I went shopping.
We're literally sitting on the side of the road.
I literally went shopping.
At any minute now, somebody could drive past.
Like, ew, you're
I ran into, well, it's metal.
Like milk.
What do you have, hon? What is this?
I'm sorry, were you talking to me?
What is this?
No, I'm talking to Auntie's YouTube.
Were you talking to me?
We went shopping at Urban Outfitters. Janelle racked up. She got her some. What did you get, Nelly?
I got a skirt, some earrings, and then I got this this bag. That's really popular.
We'll do a little haul when we get home.
Yeah.
And then she got some.
See, it's a really popular bag. See?
Look at you.
Yeah. You're not a basic white girl without it.
Excuse me, huh? What's the matter? You're sleepy? Okay. Alright, then go to
Any
sleep.
minute now, a car can come.
Okay, so we're done. I'm done. I'm worn out. What time is it, girls?
I don't know. 11.
2?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so sad. I think we're gonna go home and thanks.
You have to pee.
You have to? Okay. Yeah, so I think we're gonna go home and Robert's gonna throw some stuff on the grill and we're gonna have. Hey, you're not gonna buckle up?
No.
Did you have fun today?
Yeah.
Yeah? Janelle was the only one that shopped.
And Mommy.
I went in one store and the price tag scared me.
Mommy.
The jean shorts was $130.
She's talking.
And I was like, no way.
Mommy.
No. So I'll go to Target and buy my $15 jean shorts and be happy that they're $15 because $130 for a pair of jean shorts? It's not even a whole pants. How much is the whole pants? That's what I want to know. But it was fun. Janelle got a couple outfits. Well, Janelle got a skirt in a bag, and she got some Doc Martens because she loves them weird looking shoes.
They're not weird.
They are funny looking to me. I mean, to each their own. But yeah, we had a good day, right, Daddy Rob? We went to the Waters, we had lunch, and Janelle got a little bit of shopping out of her system because she's bougie. Janelle is bougie, very bougie. She was like, I'll take it. No price, nothing. All her stores, there's no price. You just like, wind it up.
No, you got it.
I got it already. But anyways, I'll see y'all back at the house. Say, there's a free clinic here that we went to when I found out I was pregnant with the twins. It was somewhere around here.
We passed it already.
We did?
Yeah.
When we just found out that we were pregnant with the twins, we had to catch the bus and come down here. That was, oh my gosh, what, 15 years ago?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Memories. Memories.
You gotta be careful because motherfuckers out here don't have insurance.
It's so strange being down here now. Wow, it's really overpopulated. There's people everywhere.
I wouldn't come back down here.
What, Langley Park? No,
hell no.
I don't do
Nope.
Langley Park at all whatsoever. Langley Park is like where everybody and their mama comes when they first come to this country. And then they fall for everybody else and their mama to come and join them. So it's so saturated with Jamaicans, Africans, Hispanics. It's just saturated here. Like, you have a mixture of every single
race.
immigrant.
Yep.
That's all this is immigrants. All the white people that moved out and moved either to DC, where they're doing a lot of what is it called? What's this car? Where the white people are moving into DC and pushing out other races and stuff. It's crazy, but it is what it is. But this is memory. You know, it's crazy being back down here. You know, this is where it all started for Rob and I, down here. Actually not here, but it started here for me because this was the first place I came to when I
so did we.
migrated here to the United States, and the same for Rob.
Yeah, we were
and then we
branched
out and moved, you know, to Laurel. That's where I met him, in Laurel, Maryland. And then, you know, he and I moved out of Maryland one day to move back. You know?
It was my aunt, my uncle.
Yeah.
My mom, my dad, Wendy. At the time, I was like 2 or 3. Then we moved to Silver. We moved to Silver Spring. I mean, this is Silver Spring, but to a different part.
Yeah.
A better part.
So.
And then Lowell.
But I'll never forget my first job right up the street. I worked at the McDonald's. Because of my attitude, my nasty little attitude, they had to put me on night shift.
Still haven't.
And shut up. They had to put me on night shift because they're like, we can't have you on the counter during the day because we're getting way too much complaint. But I was good at my job and they didn't want to fire me, so they put me on night shift. And I had all the Spanish men whistling at me. I mean, I'm talking about 17. I was 17 years old.
To Northern Virginia.
Having all these Spanish men whistle at me while I walk to and from my house to McDonald's in the evening. It was scary.
Pushing the past again, no. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these.
Okay guys, so it's Sunday. Just got back from grocery shopping for the week. Rob took me to Walmart and we're just taking the stuff out. I no longer do grocery hauls anymore. I don't know why. I'll probably get back into them. But I found this guy. This is the tomato one. I usually get the chicken. Usually get chicken and the beef one. So I found all three. I was out of all three. Actually, I still have to go back and get meat for the week because we didn't pick up any meat. So I still have to go back out tomorrow and get meat and more water and stuff. Right now we're just trying to get everything out the bags and on the thing so we can put them where they need to, all the groceries where they need to go. Jaxson and Maddie's out front playing with their neighbors, kids, and I'm just surrounded by a lot of bags, and I don't like putting away grocery. I will go grocery shopping all day, every day. I just don't like putting it away, so that's what I'm gonna be doing from now until probably 8 o'clock because it's a lot of food. Mr. Rob is gonna help me.
And me.
And Destiny. Destiny's gonna rearrange the pantry, and I'm probably gonna do the refrigerator. So yeah. Good morning, guys. It's Monday. It's raining. I already took the kids to school. Little one over here is watching television. I have to do a couple loads of laundry and just clean up a little bit. But it's Monday. I just wanted to come on here, and I hope you guys enjoyed the weekend vlog that I just edited about an hour ago. I just realized I didn't have an ending for it, and I didn't just want to end it just like that. So I hope you guys enjoy the weekend vlog, and I'm gonna get started on Wednesday's vlog. So my schedule right now is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I hope to stay consistent because I've been a little bit stagnant, and that's because I haven't been consistent. So my hope for this year is to stay consistent and grow my channel and not get lazy, because yeah. But anyways, I hope you guys are having an amazing Monday, and I will catch you guys on Wednesday. Bye guys.
Even if you try